FK gang, welcome back to FERGIE'S Kitchen. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. But first I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Just keep it coming in. And for all my old subscribers, I just want to thank you for being loyal. And even when I'm not around, you still keep sending me messages and keep watching my channel. My view has been going like crazy. Thank you guys. I'm going to pick up where I left off from yesterday. Remember, I'm not staying in the kitchen for a long period of time, but I'm making some delicious dishes with my time. Here are my leftovers ackee and codfish from yesterday. Ackee and saltfish, Jamaican national dish. And just so you know, ackee is a fruit, not a vegetables. But this is a fruit that you have to cook. And I'm making it with some rice. So I'm putting it together. And you know what we call this in Jamaica, right? This is going to be one of the best tasting seasoned rice. Anyone that loves ackee and makes seasoned rice, they know that leftover ackee and saltfish makes the best seasoned rice. So I'm just gonna whip up something right now. So I'm gonna get started by washing my rice and putting my rice to cook, because that's the only thing I have to do. Everything else is like 1, 2, 3. So guys, keep tuning in. I'll be right back. Okay, my FK gang, I told you it was going to be very easy. So now that my rice is cooked, I want you to come over to the stove with me. So I made some rice. I made a lot of rice. You know I like to have leftovers. So here is my ackee and codfish, ackee and saltfish. It's already warm. So I'm just gonna add the rice to it. You don't want the you don't want it to be like cooking, because you don't want your ackee to like crush down. So this right now is not about measurement. Wait, let me grab my pot holder. More rice. I want to tell you, when mama have just a little bit of ackee left over, you want to see the amount of rice that she uses, the seasoned rice. She make it stretch. Just imagine having 11 kids in one house. I don't put any salt in the rice when I'm making it. And I didn't put any butter, because the gravy from the ackee, it nice it up. So, my FK gang, this little quickie has just came to an end. And here is my overnight ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. And I'm gonna have it with a long glass of lemonade. You come from Jamaica, you know you drink lemonade with ackee and saltfish, or some sugar and water, because sometimes we don't even have lime to put in it. Come on now, my peeps. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I'm always happy to be here for you guys for variety of dishes and some quick dishes. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell everyone what goes on in FERGIE'S kitchen. Everything is possible with God. So I start my day with God and I end my day with God. And same here. I end my cooking with God because it's a gift that He has given me to share with you guys. And today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 22, verse 10. When I left the womb, you cradled me. Since the moment of birth, you've been my God. Not only is He my God, He's your God. When we all left the womb, He cradled us. So, guys, you're always been carried by God, even though you don't recognize it, but He's always there carrying you through. All right? And my message from me to you today, my inspirational or motivation message, whichever way you accept it. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breaths away. Not by the breaths we take, but by the moments that takes our breath away. What takes your breath away today? Pay attention, look around you, and I know that something there will take your breath away. Like my cooking, I hope it takes your breath away. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have all your friends and loved ones coming to Fergie's Kitchen. See you guys next time.